I'm gonna make a quick caprese salad. I've got some nice tomatoes here. These are tomatoes that are on the vine. I've got some fresh basil. I have some sliced fresh mozzarella. I'm just gonna take a serrated knife and I'm gonna cut nice slices out of my tomato. Right. Now that I've got my tomato all sliced up here, I'm gonna kind of scooch this over, bring my plate over. I'm gonna start with a little bit of tomato. I have some salt here as well, and I'm just gonna kind of season as I go. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt here on this juicy tomato, a little bit of fresh ground pepper as well. And then I'm gonna take, and you can do this in any order that you want, but I'm just gonna take a nice piece of fresh basil. And then I'm gonna come over here to my cheese, and I want a decent piece of cheese here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and I'm just gonna keep layering. I'll do another piece of tomato, a little bit of salt, some pepper, nice piece of basil, some fresh mozzarella. This is gonna be pretty. There we go. And then I'm just gonna keep repeating. Tomato slice, salt, pepper, basil. You definitely want your basil leaves to be somewhat the same size, and I think I can fit one more round here. Oops, lost my grip there for a second. Some fresh mozzarella, and then I'm gonna just take a little bit of my fresh basil here that I've kind of just cut up a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit of good olive oil and drizzle some of that over the top. And last but not least, a little bit of balsamic glaze. That's it. There you have a beautiful caprese salad. Bon appetit!